Welcome to our guide on how to blur parts of a video using CapCut. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your editing skills, this guide is for you. Blurring can add a professional touch to your videos, whether it's for privacy, emphasis, or artistic flair. Let's begin by importing our video. Open CapCut, tap on Import, and select the video you'd like to edit. Now that your video is imported, let's navigate to the editing interface. Look for the Blur tool in the Effects menu. To effectively blur a specific part, use the masking technique. Simply outline the area you want to blur with your finger. After selecting the area, adjust the blur intensity with the slider until you're satisfied with the effect. Don't forget to preview your edit. Make any final adjustments to ensure the blur looks just right. Once you're happy with your edits, it's time to save and export. Tap on Export and choose your settings. Get creative. Use blur to emphasize subjects, create transitions, or even stylize your footage. Thank you for joining our CapCut guide. Don't hesitate to experiment with blur and other features. Happy editing!